How to build extra income online from home around family life. Well, hi there, my friend. My name is Errol. I'm the owner, founder of EmpireDigest.com. And in this presentation, especially when money feels tight and your time already belongs to everyone else, a simple path can feel like breathing room again for you. So just a few things that we will be covering within this presentation. And with AI, artificial intelligence, coming in hot, it's important, my friend, because people don't know who to trust anymore. They don't know who to believe. They don't know what is real from what is fake. So I like presentations like this. So here's just a few things that we will be covering within this presentation. Is we will be covering a beginner-friendly and step-by-step way, 1 to 2 focused hours, dedicated income earning activities in a day. We will cover something that is built around family life, and we will also cover creating extra income around your flexibility, all towards you earning an extra income online, my friend, from the comfort of your own home, something that fits around your family life. And at the same time, I will be giving you access to a free blueprint by the end of this video. Now, would extra income feel different if it helped protect your family time? And here's the thing, you don't need more pressure, my friend. You need a clearer path. And if you stay to the end, you will discover the 3 simple shifts to help busy parents create extra income online from home in a beginner-friendly way. Now, the results that I'm sharing with you right now, these are results taken from within our community. These are verified results. So just to show you what is possible when you watch this entire presentation and you get access to this free blueprint. This is Belinda's name, and she's earned $1,500, my friend, in 2 hours. Now, this is no guarantee. It's just to show you what is possible when you follow, you learn, and you apply what you are learning within this blueprint. She says here, "Good morning, everyone. Pinch me, please. On Thursday, I literally had a $1,400 and another $100 in 2 hours. I just have no words. I prayed so hard that God must guide me and bless my business. Be careful what you wish for. To go from suffering, not even struggling, to making this kind of money, I have no words, only absolute gratitude. Thank you, Legacy Builder community. Thank you, Michelle. But mostly, thank you, God. I will forever stay on my knees with a heart filled with gratitude and giving this business my everything." Now, this is to show you what is possible when you just stay the course, my friend, and you stay the path. So how to start when time feels tight. Simple steps that fits into real life, not a perfect schedule. What makes this beginner friendly is secondly, it is you don't need any technical experience, and you actually need no experience at all. Just a clear path that works, my friend. And why support and a simple blueprint matters, so that you can avoid the overwhelm and costly mistakes with proven guidance and real people. Now, would a clear path feel better than trying to piece it all together alone? Just a quick story, a little story about myself. I know what it feels like to keep pushing, keep providing, and still wonder if the best moments at home are passing you by. That is why this mattered to me, my friend. I did not need another complicated system or another complicated plan. I needed something simple enough to start around real life, around my family time. Now, I'm going to bring myself up on the screen here, and I want you to look at me, because I'm the dad. I know what it feels like to be financially stressed. I know what it feels like to be overworked. I know what it feels like to be burned out. In actual fact, I missed the first 3 to 4 years of my son growing up. I missed memorable moments with my wife, all working longer, harder hours, and in actual fact ending or earning less at the end of the month. And I couldn't do that anymore. I was filled with so much guilt and so much pain that I needed to provide a better life for my family. And that's when I turned online. And when I turned online, while I was online, I discovered this blueprint that's assisted me not only in earning multiple figures online from the comfort of my own home, it's assisted me and showed me a path in doing it, getting all my income earning activities done in less than 1 to 2 hours a day. Now, I don't know your situation right now, my friend, but if you can fit something into your life that fits around your family time, around your lifestyle, and you can do it within 1 to 2 hours a day, would you not be interested in learning more? And that is what this blueprint shows you how to do. Now, have you ever worked hard and still felt like family time was slipping away. And before we continue, if this really feels close to home, type yes in the comments and let me know if you can relate to anything that I just spoke about right now up until this point. And then secondly, give this video a like, give it a thumbs up, because it helps this video get discovered by more individuals, more parents like yourself who are interested in earning extra income online from the comfort of your own home. And please feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel and turn on any other notifications should you want to do so. And this is so that you can see why this matters more when your family is the reason you want to change, and why so many parents feel financially trapped. It is not a lack of effort. It's a system that wasn't built for your life, my friend. You're always busy, but still feel behind. There's never enough time, and the to-do list never ends. Another one is your income doesn't match the pressure you carry. The bills rise, goals stall, and the stress never really goes away. And your family get what is left of you, and that is not the best version of you. You know, the guilt creeps in, patience runs thin, and meaningful time feels out of reach. If that feels painfully familiar, you're exactly who this was made for, who this blueprint was made for. Have you ever felt like your family only gets what is left of you? Now, here are 3 simple shifts that make this feel possible. You don't need more time. You need a clearer path. These 3 shifts help busy parents create extra income online without adding more stress. Now, you can start with a simple blueprint, a step-by-step blueprint, beginner-friendly, and no technical overwhelm. The second shift is you can use it within 1 to 2 hours of focused, dedicated income earning activities per day. It is consistent, simple actions, and it fits around your family life, my friend. And the third shift is you can build it with support. You are not alone. We've got live trainings. We've got a community of over 60,000 members, and we have got weekly guidance, my friend. So what else do you want? What more do you want? Simple doesn't mean small. It means just that it is doable. Would this feel doable if the next step was already laid out? And to show you some more proof and some more live results, these are real people with real momentum, and it's real possibilities, my friend. The community shared wins that shows what is possible when ordinary people follow a clear path and they follow this blueprint. The first result is Belinda Sneyman, $1,500 in 2 hours. The second one is Rich, who shared a $100 Launchpad customer. I would like to welcome Jean Dorval to the DGC. One awesome Launchpad sale yesterday afternoon while I was taking a nap. Another result, first sale of $100. I'm super excited because yesterday I made my very first sale. I'm also happy to have helped another sister. Thank you, thank you, thank you. James Fomba. Boom, another bundle package upgrade. This was the best decision I've made online so far. Help me congratulate Francois on upgrading the $1,400 bundle package with me. I am excited for him, my friend. Now, this is to show you what's possible. We've got a community of over 60,000 members, like I mentioned before. We've got weekly live training. It is a supportive community that helps you every step of the way. Now, what would your first small win mean for your home and your peace of mind? You are not building this alone. You get the support, the community, and a weekly live webinar that breaks down the blueprint in more detail. Over 60,000 members, like I said, weekly live training and guidance. We've got a free weekly live webinar. Now, if you want more details and you actually want more information regarding this blueprint and you want to see it in a better explanation, like a complete breakdown of this blueprint, just let me know in the comments below this video. Comment something around webinar or that you would like access to this webinar. I'll tell you what you need to do next so that you can get on my email list and I can actually email you the details or the replay of the live weekly webinar, because it gets hosted at different times in different time zones. So sometimes it might be 7 p.m. Depending on where you're watching from in the world. Sometimes it will be a little less than that. Sometimes it would be like at 2 a.m. It just depends because we try and cover all the time zones out there. Now, in actual fact, if you don't mind right now, leave me a comment and let me know where are you watching from in the world, because I like to connect with people from all over the world. Just let me know in the comments what country are you watching from, and if you want more information regarding the live webinar, just drop me a comment, because this is built for real life, my friend. All you need is 1 to 2 focused hours a day, and you never have to figure out everything alone by yourself. Now, would this feel lighter if you knew help was waiting for you each and every single week? And if you're ready to see the free blueprint, and you're ready to watch the free weekly webinar and learn the simple beginner-friendly path and see how to build one income online around your family life, then what I want you to do next is leave me a comment. Either say, yes, I want to watch the live weekly webinar, or say, yes, I want more details regarding this blueprint, and I will tell you what to do next. Now, would seeing the blueprint be the next step that finally feels simple and that finally matters for you and your family, my friend? Thank you for watching.